Beautifully designed, this home of more than 3,200 square feet is ideally located in Sherwood's coveted Woodhaven neighborhood on a corner lot. From the covered front porch, head inside and discover gracious living spaces and upgraded millwork throughout. The spacious family room features a cozy fireplace with accent lighting and built-ins. It opens to the kitchen with stainless steel appliances, 10-foot-high ceilings, custom quarter-sawn African mahogany cabinets, a 5-burner gas cooktop, convection oven, microwave, and pantry. The formal dining room has a beautiful tray ceiling and wainscoting. French doors open to the office or use as a bedroom with an adjoining full bath. Upstairs, you'll find a peaceful retreat in the vaulted primary suite and an elegant bath with a dual sink vanity, shower, and soaking tub. This 4-bedroom home has 3 full baths and a large bonus room with built-ins. The expansive stamped concrete patio offers an oasis of seating areas. Surrounded by well-designed landscaping for privacy. Located in the heart of Woodhaven with walking trails, parks, great schools, the YMCA, and close to Old Town. It's all here on Stellar Drive and ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Shelly Rath with Premier Property Group.